Ooh, it's gray.
Cool.
Nice.
Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing this car top that goes on top of here, this cargo box that goes on top of our Toyota 4Runner. Let's open it up and check it out. All right, here we go guys. It is a pretty big box, but it only weighs like 30 pounds. And this car top cargo box should fit on a wide variety of cars, not just a Toyota 4Runner. Alright guys, so this is what we've got. We've got the Sportrack by Skyline. It is the extra large size. And look right down here. Here is the list of all of the different cars that it will fit, I think. But if you click the link to Amazon down in the description of the video and you go check out the product description, you'll be able to see the list of all the cars that it fits to make sure it fits your car.
Metal.
Yeah, it's got big.
Ooh, it's gray.
Cool.
Nice. Skyline Sportrack.
It said that it requires, I think it said significant assembly.
Significant assembly. It looks like a boat. Made in USA.
Sweet.
Here's all the hardware.
That's a lot of stuff. And there's instructions. That's good.
Are you gonna read the instructions?
I think we'll look at them at least. Let's see what we got here, guys. There's lots of pieces. Got a bolt bag. We got the locks right here for it.
Oh, there's locks on it.
Yeah, we got. Oh, these are the hinge. These are the springs for the hinge. Because I remember it said that it had springs to help open it up. The other like lock open, and then when you close it, it'll snap it down closed.
That's cool.
Look at that gasket, so we don't get rain in there. Latch, some kind of latch. Probably lock parts here. Hinges. And U-bolts for holding it down to the roof rack. Instruction manual right here, check it out. It says we're gonna need pliers, a wrench, and a screwdriver, that's it. All right, there we go. She is up on there. Looks like that. Pretty sturdy-ish, looks like. Looks like it's not gonna come off. So there was significant assembly to put it together. Lots of nuts and bolts to have to fit together. A little bit difficult, but since Seth was so small, he could get inside of it, right? And he could hold the screwdriver and stuff in there. It didn't take too long to put together and get mounted up there. I think that is why it is so cheap, because you have to assemble it yourself. They're gonna save some money at the factory by making you do it yourself. It's made in the USA, so that is really cool. And after we take it on maybe 1,000 miles or so on our road trip, we'll go ahead and give you a review of how we think it works and performs, whether it stays dry or not if we get in some rain. But anyway, if you want to check out this cargo box, check out the link down in the description below. Hope you guys have a really great day.
Keep smiling.